Let's start with our pH Balance Cleanse Gentle Foaming Wash. It is the perfect way to effectively cleanse problem skin without removing all the natural oils or over drying your skin. With soothing aloe vera, it leaves your skin feeling clean, fresh, and revitalized. Step 2 is using Control Face Serum. It is our hero product for clearing pimples. It contains unique mineral complex salt, and this product helps clear and prevent breakouts while rebuilding the health of your skin. The last step is using Hydrate Light Moisturizer, which is the perfect way to keep skin properly hydrated without plugging your pores. This non-greasy lotion is easily absorbed into your skin, leaving your skin feeling soft and velvety smooth.